See, I am James Thomas, Sharjah Indian school teacher. See, today I am going to take the dissolution part, the remaining part. We are already studied dissolution part. As I already taken what you mean by dissolution, today I am giving more importance to board papers, especially the chapter is dissolution. So, my dear students, so now our examination is coming. First time examination is commencing from next month onwards. So this is a right time to give more importance to this chapter. So, dissolution. So, last year also the board is asking, so 1, 2, 3 questions from this chapter, and this year also we are expecting lot of questions from this chapter. So, that's why I am giving more importance to this chapter, and afterwards one by one we can see admission of partners and retirement of partners and death of a partners and the fundamentals of partnership, etc., etc. And second term we are giving more importance to company accounts and issue of shares and issue of debentures, and the second part, that is a financial analysis, the specimen of balance sheet and comparative income statement and accounting ratios and cash flow statement. So, that is our schedule. So, all of you please listen my class, and today I am going to take the problem part, that is what is called the dissolution, and latest sample papers. We can see the latest board papers. See, I already said what you mean by dissolution, and why we are preparing realization account, and also what are the journal entries which is coming under realization account. This all part I already explained the last class. Now I am focusing again for your kind information and just revising what is realization account and what are the main entries we are passing in the realization account, and afterwards so directly we can come just go through the board papers. So, just all of you listen to me. So, what are the entries we are passing into the realization account? You know that under dissolution, so the settlement of accounts like this by making the following accounts, that is number 1 the realization account, and number 2 partners capital account, and number 3 we are preparing cash account or a bank account. So, these are the different accounts we are preparing, or sometimes we are preparing partners loan account also. If it is given in the balance sheet, we are preparing partners loan account also, and mainly we are giving more importance to realization account and partners capital account and bank account. These are the main accounts we are preparing. So, once again for your kind information, just revise our previous entries. So, what all entries are coming under realization account. So, we can see one by one. See, you can see that we are getting a balance sheet, and the balance sheet, a lot of assets as well as liabilities are there. And first of all, we are transferring all assets to the realization account by passing a journal entry is realization account. So, realization account debtor to various assets. So, first entry is realization account debtor to various assets, and afterwards we are transferring all liabilities to the realization account. So, here one confusion is there. Assets, you can see lot of assets are there. So, it does not mean that all assets we are transferring, except cash and bank and fictitious assets we are not transferring to the realization account. The assets which we can convert to a liquid money, so those assets we are transferring to realization account by passing a journal entry is realization account debtor to various assets. Then afterwards you please look at the liability side. All liabilities we are transferring to the realization account by passing a journal entry is various liabilities account debtor to realization account. So, second entry is various liabilities account debtor to realization account. So, these are the primary entries we are passing. So, we are going to close your balance sheet. That means first we are transferring realization account to various assets except cash and bank, and also we are transferring all liabilities, that is what is called the various liabilities account debtor to realization account except partners capital account and undistributed profit, etc., etc. Then afterwards, after passing these two entries, so you can see that next our procedure is look at the adjustments. So, you can see adjustment, they are given lot of adjustments are there. So, the balance sheet along with a lot of adjustments they are given in the question. So, just look at our balance sheet item with adjustments. We can see that. So, next point, after transferring all assets to the realization account and after transferring all liabilities to the realization account, the next procedure is we are realizing the assets. That means we are selling the assets outside and collect the money. So by passing a journal entry is cash account debtor to realization account. So listen once again. So when we are selling the assets, so journal entry is cash account debtor to realization accounts. You know that these assets we are selling and we are getting the money. So you know that tomorrow onwards firm is not there. So we are going to liquidate. The entire activities of the firm is going to close, or we are winding up the entire activities of the business unit, and tomorrow onwards firm is not there. That is why all the assets now we are selling outside and collect the money. You know that, see, after getting the money, that money we are utilizing for making the payments. First of all, we are settling with outsiders, and the remaining any amount is with us. So that amount we are transferring to the partner's capital account. So that is the procedure. You know that first of all we are transferring all assets to the realization account, and we are transferring all liabilities into the realization account, and the next procedure is all the marketable assets we are selling outside and collect the money, and that money we are utilizing for the payment of liabilities. The next procedure, you can see tomorrow onwards firm is not there. So sometimes one of the partner is taking firm's assets. See, once again, one of the partner is taking firm's assets. So what is the entry? So one of the partner is taking firm's assets. So journal entry is concerned partners capital account debtor to realization account. That particular partner's capital account to realization account. Partners capital account debtor to realization account. If one of the partner is taking firm's assets, so journal entry is concerned partners capital account debtor to realization account. You, as I already said, tomorrow onwards firm is there, firm is not there. So any assets, maybe the lot of assets are there. Out of that, any asset is taken by one of the partner. So entry is concerned partners capital account debtor to realization account. So then just opposite, suppose any partner is paying the firm's liabilities. So what is the journal entry? So the previous case what I said, one of the partner is taking firm's assets. So entry will be concerned partners capital account debtor to realization account. Now next procedure, suppose any partner is paying firm's liabilities, like creditors are paid by A, or Mrs. A's loan is paid by B. So that means B and A is, they are partners. So creditor is paid by the partner A, or Mrs. A's loan is paid by B. So like that some liabilities are there, and those liabilities are paid by any of the partner. So journal entry will be realization account debtor to concerned partners capital accounts. So concerned partners capital account. So entry will be realization account debtor to what? Partners, concerned partners capital account. See once again, so if any partner is undertaking any assets, so journal entry will be concerned partners capital account debtor to realization account, or any partner is paying firm's liability. So entry will be realization account debtor to partners capital accounts. Now you can see our first section is over. Once again, first of all assets we are transferring, the entry will be realization account debtor to various assets, and the second point is all the liabilities we are transferring to realization account, journal entry is various liabilities account debtor to realization account. And the third procedure, you know that all the assets we are selling and collect the money. So when we are getting the money, journal entry is cash account debtor to realization account. You know that after getting the money, that money you can utilize for the payment of liabilities, and meantime any partner is taking any assets, so you supposed to pass the entry. So entry is concerned partners capital account debtor to realization account. And also if any partner is paying firm's liability, so journal entry is realization account debtor to that particular partner's capital account. So next procedure, you know that at the time of dissolution we are meeting lot of expenses. You can see that tomorrow onwards firm is not there. This procedure, Maybe it is done by one partner, or it is that expense is met by the firm, whatever it is. You know that we are facing lot of expenses. That expense is paid by the firm. So what is the entry? Realization account debtor to cash account. So entry will be realization expenses met by the firm. So journal entry is realization account debtor to cash account. Realization account debtor to cash account. Expense met by the firm. The next point, you know that the creditors, the liabilities are paid by the firm. So what is the entry? The liabilities are paid by the firm. So what is the entry? So journal entry is, so realization account debtor to cash. Realization account debtor to cash account. See, so expense is met by the firm and also the liabilities are paid by the firm. You can see the entries are same. So realization account debtor to cash account. Then afterwards, you know, after passing all these entries, now we are making, what is that? So we are making realization account. After passing all these entries, we are making realization account, and if the credit total is more than the debit total, we are getting a profit, and if the debit total is more than the credit total, we are meeting the losses. So if it is a profit, we are transferring to the partner's capital account. If it is a profit, we are transferring to the partner's capital account by passing a journal entry is realization account debtor to partner's capital account. So once again, the credit total is more than the debit total, we are getting a profit. That profit is transferred to partner's capital account by passing a journal entry is realization account debtor to partner's capital account. So this is for profit, and if it is a loss, so vice versa. So just a reverse entry. So entry will be partner's capital account debtor to realization account. Partner's capital account debtor to realization account. So these are the fundamental basic entries we are using for the preparation of realization account. So all my students, all of you, please listen once again, because now you know the last board, so April our examination is over, that you can see the latest board papers, and they are given one question, so that I am going to discuss now. And once again I am just advising all of you, just look at my monitor, see what is the format of this realization account. So you can see the format of realization account is all the assets we are transferring, except certain exemptions are there. Just look at that exemption, that is also very important for you. Sometimes students are making mistakes because they are transferring all assets. Here we are not transferring all assets, we are transferring certain assets only. That means the assets which we can convert into a liquid money, only those assets we are transferring. That means the asset is or except cash and bank, we are transferring to realization account. And also you can see that all liabilities we are transferring, various liabilities account debtor to realization account, except partner's capital account and also profit and loss account. And the next procedure is we are transferring, we are selling the assets and we are getting the money, and that, so journal entry is cash account debtor to realization account. The entry will be what? The cash account debtor to realization account. And also you can see that after getting the money, so that money we are utilizing for the payment of liabilities. So entry you can see that, so realization account debtor to cash account. And also you can see the credit side, if any one of the partner is taking the assets, so entry will be, so concerned partner's capital account debtor to realization account. Or if any partner is paying firm's liability, so journal entry is realization account debtor to partner's capital account. Then afterwards you can see, so after entering all these entries, now we are taking the difference or between the credit total and debit total. So either we will get a profit or a loss. So credit total is more than the debit total, means we are getting a profit, and vice versa we are getting a loss. So here also we supposed to this profit we are transferring to partner's capital account by passing a journal entry is realization account debtor to partner's capital account. And also And if it is a loss, we are transferring to partner's capital account by passing a journal entries partner's capital account debtor to realization account. So now I am sure that all of you got my point. So this is very important. Once you should be thorough with the journal entry, then only you are able to prepare realization account. You know that last year board examination, they are asking only realization account. See, all of you please look at the monitor once again. This is a 2014 board paper. 2014 board paper. So that means just 1 month before April 1st, we have accounts examination. That time they are given this question, this CBSE 2014 board paper. You can look at this monitor. See, they are given. See, these are the balance sheet. Ramesh and Umesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of their capitals on 31st March 2013, and their balance sheet is as follows. So you can see that creditors, so 1,70,000, and workmen's compensation fund is 2,10,000, and general reserve is 2 lakh, and Ramesh current account is 80,000, and capital of Ramesh 7 lakh, and capital of Umesh 3 lakh, and assets bank account is 1,10,000, and debtors 2,40,000, and stock is 1,30,000, and furniture is 2 lakh, and machinery is 9,30,000, and Umesh current account is 50,000. You can see, so this is their balance sheet. Now you can see that with adjustments, and they are going to prepare a realization account. So in this question, they are asking to prepare a realization account only. So that means what I have taken for the last 2 classes. Now you can understand the importance of this realization account. First, all of you please thorough with the journal entries. Then only we are able to prepare this realization account. Then only we can find out the profit or a loss. Then now see, listen, in this question they are asking to prepare realization account only, but I am going to prepare realization account and partner's current account and partner's capital account and also bank account. Okay, just once again look at the monitor. See here, see, look at the adjustment once again. So Ramesh took over 50% of the stock, 10,000 less than the book value, and the remaining stock was sold at a loss of 15,000, and debtors were realized at a discount of 5%, and furniture was taken over by Umesh for rupees 50,000, and machinery was sold for 4,50,000, and creditors were paid in full, and there was an unrecorded bill for repairs for 1,60,000, which was settled at 1,40,000, and prepare realization account only. See, now listen, see, I am going to prepare this account, all of you listen. See, just first we are going to make realization account. All assets we are transferring to the realization account. That is the first procedure. So all of you read once again this question. You can look at the monitor. So question is there. So all of you just to check it. Then on the basis of that, you himself pass the entries. Then I will clear your doubt. So just I will prepare the realization account. First, you know that all assets we are transferring. Just now I am making only T form. So listen. So this is what is called a realization account. First, we are transferring all asset to realization account by passing a journal entry to various assets. Okay, then debtors we are transferring. The amount will be 2,40,000. Then afterwards we are transferring stock. So stock we are transferring, that is 1,30,000. Then again we are transferring furniture. The furniture we are transferring, that amount is 2 lakh. Then afterwards we are transferring various liabilities. So you can see we are passing a journal entries. So various liabilities are conducted to realization. So that is by various liabilities. So first one is, you know, here only one item is there, that is creditors 1,70,000. So listen once again. So first we are transferring all assets, that is to various assets, and by passing a journal entries, debtors and stock and furniture, machinery. Then second point, by we are transferring all liabilities by passing a journal entries by various liabilities, that is creditors. Then afterwards you look at the adjustment. See, adjustment next is Ramesh took over 50% of the stock at 10,000 less than the book value. You can see stock is how much? 1,30,000. and out of that Ramesh took over 50% of the stock, 10,000 less than the book value. That means total stock is 1,30,000 and 50% is, that is 65,000, and 10,000 less than the book value means by Ramesh capital account is, so next journal entry is Ramesh capital account debtor to realization account. So I am passing the entries by Ramesh capital account. By Ramesh capital account is 55,000. By Ramesh capital account is how much? 55,000. Then afterwards the remaining stock was sold at a loss of 15,000. The remaining stock was sold at a loss of 15,000. So that means the remaining stock is there 65,000, and out of 65,000 loss is 15,000, and we are getting only 50,000. So that means asset realized. You can see next entry is cash account debtor to realization account, that is by cash. You can see we are selling the assets. Number one, stock we are getting 50,000, and next debtors. So debtors is 2,28,000. So debtors 2,28,000, and next one is machinery. Machinery is 4,50,000. So machinery is 4,50,000. So total 7,28,000. When we are selling assets, we are getting 7,28,000. Then again, now we got enough money. That money we are utilizing for the payment of liabilities. And out of that, you can see the second adjustment. The furniture was taken over by Umesh for 50,000. So what's the meaning of this? Furniture was taken over by Umesh for 50,000. So what's the entry? So here furniture was taken over by Umesh for 50,000 by Umesh capital account. So by Umesh capital account is, you can see one more entry is there. By Umesh capital account is 50,000. One of the partner is taking the assets. So entry will be by Umesh capital account is 50,000. And and the machinery was sold for 45,000. They have already realized. So machinery cash account debtor to realization account is 50,000. I already passed the entry. The next entry is liabilities are paid off. That means you can see the monitor. The liability is 1,70,000. That 1,70,000 paid in full. So entry will be realization account debtor to cash. So you pass the entry is to cash account. So entry will be 1,40,000. Realization account debtor to cash is how much? 1,40,000. Then afterwards you can see one more entry is there. So that is, there was an unrecorded bill for repairs for 1,60,000 and which was settled at 1,40,000. So entry will be to cash 1,40,000. So what is the entry? Unrecorded liabilities are paid off. Journal entry is realization account debtor to cash account is 1,40,000. Realization account debtor to cash is 1,40,000. So that is 1,40,000. The creditors are paid off. That amount is 1,70,000. It's not 1,40,000. That is 1,70,000. And unrecorded liabilities are paid off. That entry is 1,40,000. So now I think all entries are over. Once again we can revise these entries. See, first of all, we are transferring all assets. So you can look at the monitor. See, to various assets. That means debtors, stock, furniture, machinery. Then afterwards, you can see we are transferring all liabilities except workmen's compensation fund and general reserve and Ramesh current account. So we are transferring to various liability, that is various liabilities account debtor to realization, that is creditors, and creditors 1,70,000, only creditor is there. Then afterwards you can see Ramesh took over 50% of the stock at 10,000 less than the book value. See, please look at the monitor. So the stock value is 1,30,000 and out of that the 50% of the stock is taken by Mr. Ramesh at a 10,000 less than the book value. So that means totally 65,000 and minus 10,000, you can see that. So amount will be 50,000. So amount will be 55,000. So entry will be Ramesh capital account debtor to realization account. Realization account credit side we are writing by Ramesh capital account. Then afterwards you can see that the remaining stock was sold at a loss of 15,000 and debtors were realized at a discount of 5%. These all assets realized. The entry will be stock is the remaining stock will be only 50,000. So entry will be cash account debtor to realization account. So and debtors also there 2,28,000 because 5% discount is there. That's why total debtors amount minus 5%. We are getting 2,28,000. And machinery when we are selling we are getting is 4,50,000. And along with this you can see next adjustment. And another partner Mr. Umesh is taken our machinery and worth rupees 50,000. Furniture was taken over by Umesh for 50,000 and machinery was sold for 4,50,000. So that means Umesh capital account debtor to realization account. You can see that monitor by Umesh capital account is 50,000. Then next was creditors were paid in full. Then now listen, after collecting all money, now our next procedure is we are settling the liabilities. So you can see our liabilities, only one liability is there, that is creditors. The creditors are paid by the firm by passing a journal entries realization account debtor to cash account, that is 1,70,000. And also you can see over and above all this adjustment, the last adjustment is there was an unrecorded bill for repairs for 1,60,000 which was settled at 1,40,000. You can see these liabilities are unrecorded liabilities. It is not there last year balance sheet. Now you can see they are given out of the balance sheet. So that liabilities are met by the firm by passing a journal entries realization account debtor to cash account. You can see 1,40,000. Now all entries we are passed through realization account. Our next procedure is find out whether we are getting a profit or a loss. So you can see, look at the monitor. So now our debit total is more than the credit total. That means we are getting a loss. So debit total is more than the credit total. That means we are getting a loss, and that loss is transferring to the partner's capital account. So that is the procedure. You know that we are getting a loss. That loss is worth rupees 8,07,000 rupees we are getting. That loss we are dividing according to the ratio. The ratio which is given in the question, that is 7:3. That ratio we are dividing between the partners. We are getting the loss is 5,64,900 and 2,42,100. And this loss we are transferring to the partner's current account, because here they are already given in the question, they are already given current account. That's why this loss we are transferring to the partner's current account. Now you can see the students have lot of doubts. Here capital account also there and also current account they are given. So whether they are accommodating this current account to the capital account or they are preparing separately. This is a genuine doubt. All the students have this doubt. And now you can see, make it clear. So we are preparing under fixed method. That means capital account is different and current account is different. So we are preparing a current account separately. So you can see that. So the question, they are given Ramesh current account and also Umesh current account. But Umesh current account is showing a debit balance and Ramesh current account is showing a credit balance. You can see by balance brought down, Ramesh current account is 80,000 and 2 balance brought down, and Umesh current account is showing a 50,000. And also you can see that the all undistributed profit is transferred to the partner's current account, that is workmen's compensation fund is divided according to the ratio, and that amount we are transferring to the partner's capital account, current account, that is 1,47,000 and 63,000 according to their ratio. Then again you can see that in the balance sheet they are given general reserve. That general reserve also we are transferring to the partner's current account. That we can see that, look at the monitor. So 1,40,000 and 60,000 is there. So general reserve we are transferring to the partner's current account. Then again you can see that the realization account we are getting a loss. That loss we are transferring to the partner's current account debit side. You can see that the loss we are transferring to the partner's current account debit side. So that is 5,64,900 and 2,42,100 we are getting, that we are transferring to the partner's current account. Then again you can see that if the partner is taking any asset, so that asset we are passing a journal entry is concerned partner's capital account debtor to realization or current account debtor to realization account. You can see that partner's current account debit side 155,000 is there and 150,000 is there. These two things are, or two assets taken over by the partners. Now all the entries are over. Now you can close the current account. You can see that the current account, the credit total is the more than debit total. That balance I am transferring to the credit side, that is, so you can see that here the debit side is more than credit side. You can see Ramesh current account debit side is 6,19,900 and Umesh account you can see debit side is 3,42,100. So this balance I am transferring to the credit side of the current account. You can see 2,52,900 and 2,19,100. So this is the balance I am getting, and this balance now I am transferring to the partner's capital account. See, under fixed method you can see the capital which is contributed with the partners is there, and also the position of current account. This current account we are transferring to the partner's capital account, because here we are getting a debit balance. So that is why that balance we are transferring here partner's capital account. See, that balance now I am transferring here. You can see the partner's capital account. So already look at the previous question paper. So their balance sheet is, their capital is given there 7 lakh and 3 lakh, and also this current account balance I am transferring to the partner's capital account. So that is R's current account 2,52,900 and Umesh current account is 2,19,100, and now you can see that what is their capital account balance. So their capital account credit total is more than the debit total. So that balance finally now I am transferring to the bank account. You can see first I am preparing the realization account, and second I am making partner's current account, and third I am making partner's capital account, and the capital account balance now I am getting a credit balance. That credit balance now I am transferring to the bank account by passing a journal entry, that is partner's capital account. So that entry we are passing to the bank account. So that is what is called the partner's capital account debtor to bank account. You can see that all entries, that credit balance I am transferring to the bank account. So now the last procedure is we are preparing a bank account. The bank account is always, you can see the balance is showing a debit balance. So look at the balance sheet, bank account balance I am transferring the balance sheet, that is to balance brought down is 1,10,000. Then again next point, you know, all assets we are selling and we are getting a money. So that money we are putting into the bank account by passing a journal entry is cash account debtor to realization account. So you can see that realization account. So the total amount what I am getting is 7,28,000. These are the two items you can put into the bank account debit side. Now next credit side, all payments. The creditors are paid, that is 1,70,000, and unrecorded liabilities are paid, that is 1,40,000, and R's capital and Umesh capital we are transferring to the bank account credit side. Now you can see the monitor, our balance sheet, our bank account is tallied. So you know that this is the latest question, 2014 board paper. So they are asking to find out realization account and also partners current account and capital account and bank account. I think all of you got my point, and once again revised everything. You can see nowadays the board is asking this type of question. Either they are asking only realization account, or sometimes they are asking realization account, partners capital account and bank account, or sometimes they are asking only journal entries. 2013 and 2012 papers, they are asking only journal entries. That means nowadays, especially for 12th standard who are going to write the board examination, so this chapter and journal entries are very, very important for their board examination. So all of you please go through the entries once again, and now we can look at the 2013 and 12 papers. So have a break.